Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix live wallpaper options not showing on iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you want to set a live wallpaper on your iPhone iOS 26 and if you doesn't get any options of how you can set the live wallpaper, for this what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now, if you want to set any live wallpaper, then you have to simply go to settings, and after that, you have to go to wallpaper option here, and you have to click on add new wallpaper. And here you can simply see that that photo shuffle option is available, emoji option is available, but there is no live wallpaper or live photo option available. So you have to make sure about that. So in this way, you have to simply change the settings, check for the settings, because live wallpaper option is not still available in iOS 26. It is missing, so you have to check for that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.